In this video, we listed the 15 best amazing tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Inspection Camera and Cable Pulling Tool. The Ferret Pro Wireless Inspection Camera and Cable Pulling Tool is a versatile device designed for professional and personal use, particularly suited to tasks that require precise inspection and cable management in hard-to-reach areas. It integrates advanced features like app-controlled variable focus, enabling users to adjust the camera's focus remotely for clearer visuals, making it ideal for inspecting confined spaces such as walls, ceilings, or crawl spaces. The camera is equipped with super-fast charging capabilities, ensuring minimal downtime and prolonged usability in demanding scenarios. Its wireless design, coupled with seamless connectivity to a dedicated app, makes it highly portable and convenient to use without being tethered by cables. This multi-purpose tool excels in cable pulling, simplifying the task of threading wires through tight or obstructed pathways, which is particularly beneficial for electricians, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. Product 2. Product name: Klein Circuit Breaker Finder Tool Kit. The Klein Tools 80016 Circuit Breaker Finder Tool Kit is a professional-grade solution for identifying circuit breakers in a fast and efficient manner. This two-piece set includes two essential components. CAT. No. ET310, a digital circuit breaker finder with a transmitter and a receiver. It simplifies the process of locating the correct circuit breaker in a panel, saving time and avoiding confusion. The transmitter connects to an electrical outlet, and the receiver helps pinpoint the corresponding breaker. CAT. Number 69411, an accessory kit designed to enhance the usability of the circuit breaker finder. It includes tools to adapt the transmitter for use with light fixtures, bare wires, and other connection types, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of electrical setups. This kit is ideal for electricians, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts working on home or commercial electrical systems. Its durable construction, user-friendly interface, and precise functionality make it a reliable tool for ensuring safety and accuracy during electrical troubleshooting and installation tasks. Product 3. Product Craig Magnetic Stud Finder. The Craig Magnetic Stud Finder with Lasermark, KMM1000LZ, is a versatile and innovative tool designed to simplify stud finding and marking for home improvement, woodworking, and construction projects. This tool combines the precision of a stud magnet with the convenience of an integrated laser marking system, making it an essential accessory for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Key features: magnetic stud detection. The tool utilizes a powerful magnet to reliably locate nails or screws embedded in studs, eliminating guesswork during wall scanning. Laser marking system. The built-in laser projects a precise line to mark stud locations, streamlining tasks such as hanging shelves, cabinets, or frames. Compact and lightweight design. Easy to handle and transport, the tool fits comfortably in a pocket or toolbox, making it a practical addition to any toolkit. Accuracy and ease of use. Its intuitive operation ensures accurate results even for beginners, with clear visual and tactile feedback when a stud is located. Product 4. Product name: Tiger Tool Commercial Yoke Puller. The Tiger Tool Commercial Yoke Puller, Model 10803, is a specialized tool engineered for heavy-duty use, particularly in maintaining and repairing Class 6 to 8 transportation trucks and equipment. This professional-grade yoke puller is specifically designed for semi-trucks and other large vehicles to assist in the removal of yokes from driveline components without causing damage to the shaft or other related parts. Key features: durability, constructed from high-quality, heavy-duty materials to withstand the rigors of industrial and commercial use. Precision engineering, designed to provide a secure and efficient grip on yokes, ensuring smooth operation and minimal risk of damage to surrounding components. Ease of use, built for simplicity and effectiveness, making it a valuable tool for mechanics working in commercial truck maintenance. Compatibility, suited for Class 6 to 8 vehicles, including semi-trucks and similar heavy-duty equipment. Product 5. Product name Arrow Electric Staple Gun Kit. The Arrow Electric Staple Gun Kit is a versatile corded stapler designed for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. It is ideal for upholstery, carpentry, insulation, and other general fastening tasks, offering power, precision, and user-friendly operation. Key features: powerful performance, operates with consistent driving force, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks like furniture upholstery and wood assembly. Versatility, compatible with T50 staples in 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 sizes, which are included in the kit, a total of 3,750 pieces, ensuring readiness for a wide variety of projects. Ease of use, designed for comfort and efficiency, featuring an ergonomic grip and a simple mechanism to reload staples quickly. Durability, built with a sturdy body and dependable electric drive, ensuring long-lasting use. Applications. Product 6. Product name Tough Built Scraper Utility Knife. The Tough Built Scraper Utility Knife, TB-H4S5-01, is a versatile 2-in-1 tool designed for efficiency and durability in a variety of applications. Combining a utility knife and a scraper, it allows for quick transitions between cutting and scraping tasks, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This innovative tool comes with 5 replaceable blades and features a robust design built to withstand heavy-duty use. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Its multifunctionality makes it suitable for tasks such as trimming materials, scraping paint or adhesives, and cutting through tough surfaces. The Tough Built Scraper Utility Knife aligns well with the user's interest in functional and durable tools like the razor blade scraper and mini hand planer. It is especially valuable for projects requiring precision and ease of operation, whether for home improvement, crafting, or professional use. Product 7. Product name MaxSteel Multi-Angle Hobby Vise. The Stanley 1-83-069 MaxSteel Multi-Angle Hobby Vise is a versatile and durable tool designed for precision tasks and hobbyist projects. With its yellow and black finish, it provides a robust appearance while ensuring practicality. This vise is crafted for multi-angle applications, allowing users to adjust the clamping angle, making it ideal for woodworking, crafting, and other intricate work. Key features: flexible positioning. The multi-angle design allows for enhanced versatility, enabling users to secure workpieces at various angles for optimal convenience. Durable construction, built with high-quality materials, it ensures a long lifespan and reliable performance. Compact and portable, its size is suited for hobbyists and professionals needing a functional yet space-efficient tool. Strong clamping force, provides a firm grip on materials, ensuring precision and safety during use. Product 8. Product name Titke Masonry Drill Bit Set. The Titke Masonry Drill Bit Set is a professional-grade collection of drill bits specifically designed for working on tough surfaces like glass, brick, cement, tile, and other masonry materials. This set includes 10 drill bits ranging in size from 3/16 to 1/2, catering to a variety of drilling needs in construction, renovation, and DIY projects. Key features: industrial strength carbide tips. The drill bits feature cross-style carbide tips, offering enhanced durability and precision. These tips are engineered to deliver clean and efficient cuts through hard surfaces without chipping or cracking. Wide compatibility. These drill bits are compatible with standard drills, making them a versatile choice for homeowners, professionals, and hobbyists. Durable design. The bits are crafted from high-quality materials to withstand the demands of industrial applications. They are resistant to wear and heat, ensuring a longer lifespan. Multi-surface application. Suitable for drilling into glass, tile, brick, cement, and similar materials, the set is ideal for tasks requiring precision and strength. Product 9. Product name Dry Core Drill Bit for Brick and Block. The 2 3/4 dry core drill bit for brick and block is a robust tool designed for precision and efficiency in drilling through materials such as brick, block, stucco, and masonry. This drill bit features a 9.5-inch drilling depth, making it ideal for a wide range of construction, renovation, and DIY tasks. Key features: versatile adapter options. The package includes 3 adapters, SDS Max, SDS Plus, and a 1/2-inch hex shank, allowing compatibility with various drills and ensuring adaptability to different tools and job requirements. Durable design. Constructed with high-grade materials, this core drill bit is designed to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty applications, maintaining performance even during prolonged use. 5. 8-inch-11 thread. The threading ensures secure attachment and smooth operation during drilling tasks. Optimized for dry drilling, eliminates the need for water cooling, making it convenient for use in locations without water access, while still providing clean and precise cuts. Product 10. Product name: DeWalt 20V Max XR Cutoff Tool. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Cutoff Tool, DCS for 38B, is a compact and versatile tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and performance in cutting tasks. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers enhanced power and efficiency, making it suitable for various materials, including metal, tile, and drywall. This tool is part of DeWalt's 20V Max XR lineup, known for its reliability and extended runtime. Its compact design allows for easy handling in tight spaces, while the ergonomic build ensures user comfort during extended use. The tool includes a variable speed trigger for precise control, an adjustable guard for safety, and a dust-shrouded design to minimize debris. Since it's a bare tool, batteries and chargers are sold separately, making it an excellent choice for those already invested in DeWalt's 20V Max ecosystem. This cutoff tool aligns well with users interested in powerful, compact, and portable tools, much like other items such as the Blackcube cordless soldering iron or the 2200W electric chainsaw. Product 11. Product name: DeWalt 20V Max XR String Trimmer. The DeWalt 20V Max XR String Trimmer, 14-inch, tool only, DCST 922B, is an efficient and powerful tool designed for homeowners and professionals looking for a reliable solution to trim grass, weeds, and overgrown vegetation. This trimmer is part of the DeWalt 20V Max XR system, making it compatible with DeWalt's broad line of 20V Max batteries, offering the flexibility of extended runtime with the high-capacity batteries, sold separately. Key features include its 14-inch cutting swath, providing a good balance between maneuverability and cutting efficiency, and a brushless motor for increased power, longer runtime, and enhanced durability. The trimmer is designed for ease of use, featuring a lightweight build and an ergonomic handle for user comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. Product 12. Product name: Nail Wall Fastening Tool. The Nail Wall Fastening Tool is a versatile manual tool designed for cement walls and other tough surfaces, such as concrete. It operates as a steel nail gun, effectively shooting nails into hard materials like cement, concrete, or wood, making it ideal for various household woodworking and DIY projects. The tool is compact and portable, offering ease of use for both professionals and hobbyists. With a capacity to hold up to 50 nails, it ensures efficiency during tasks like securing frames, decorations, or fixtures to walls. Its bright orange design adds a touch of visibility and is often chosen for its practicality in fastening nails precisely and quickly. This mini portable nail shooting machine provides a solution for small-scale construction or home improvement projects, simplifying the task of driving nails into hard surfaces with minimal effort. Product 13. Product name: MAIDSIT Electric Chair Lift. The MAIDSIT Electric Chair Lift, JC35M3, is designed to assist elderly individuals or those with mobility challenges in standing up from the floor. This lift can raise individuals up to 20 inches, providing a safe and efficient way to stand again with minimal effort. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it is a versatile and sturdy aid for those who may struggle to get up without assistance. The unit weighs 30 pounds, making it portable and relatively lightweight for its purpose. Ideal for use at home or in care facilities, this floor lift offers a practical solution for improving the independence and quality of life for individuals with limited mobility. Product 14. Product name: Fence Wire Tensioner Tool. The Fence Wire Tensioner Tool is a useful accessory for farmers, gardeners, and anyone working with wire fencing. It is designed to help tighten and secure the wire on fences, ensuring durability and effectiveness in maintaining boundaries. The tool set typically includes 20 wire tighteners, which are designed to help apply tension to the wire, and one handle for tightening the wires effectively. This is especially useful when installing or repairing barbed wire fences, providing a secure, high-tension fence line. This tool is ideal for use in farm and garden settings where strong, reliable fences are necessary to keep animals in or out, or to delineate property boundaries. The wire tensioners are durable and easy to use, offering a simple way to ensure that wire fences remain tight and secure over time. With the included tightener handle, the tool enables faster and more efficient installation and maintenance of wire fencing, making it a valuable addition to any fencing toolkit.